Here's how to make Roblox game public. So the first step is to open up Roblox Studio, and then after you open up your game, you're gonna have to click on File in the top left corner. Then click on Publish to Roblox. Now from here, we're gonna have to enter the name of our game. So here I'm going to type in the name. You just have to choose the description. Now from here, make sure creator, it says me, and then you can choose on which devices you can play this game. Now once we do that, we just have to click on create at the bottom, and now we're gonna have to wait until the experience gets updated. So as you can see, it will set up the server, it will create the server for us and everything. So now we have our game live. So we're gonna have to open up a browser, and then we just have to go to roblox.com and then log in into our account. From here, click on create and then go to creations. Now here you're gonna see your game. So this is the game that I just created. So we just have to click on it and then go to settings. Once we get here, we just have to scroll down and select public. Now here, as you can see, we just have to make sure our experience are playable by adding content maturity label. So we just have to click on add label, and then from here we're gonna have to answer a few questions. So click on start. Now you're gonna have to go through each one of them and make sure to answer correctly. Now I'm going to skip through them because I actually don't have a playable game, but make sure to read all of these things and simply select yes or no because they will verify it. So here you just have to click on yes and no, then click on continue, and then simply click on submit, and basically that's all we have to do. So after that, they're gonna approve it. So we just have to click on public, and then here, as you can see, your experience is limited to 16 plus users and trusted friends. So that's it for today's video. I really hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.